Yes, dyslexia is misdiagnosed all the time. And that's because there are several different types of dyslexia. And one of the most well-known types of switching letters and switching words, switching numbers on a page, has the same symptoms as binocular vision dysfunction, which is not tested for in a dyslexia evaluation. In fact, at no point in a dyslexia evaluation are they even capable of testing for binocular vision dysfunction, which is over 50% more common than dyslexia and more likely to cause reversing and switching of letters. So while the patient's doing the test, if they're failing, there's no way to distinguish if they're failing that test because of dyslexia or because of binocular vision dysfunction. And binocular vision dysfunction is more common. So if you've been diagnosed with dyslexia and you haven't had binocular vision dysfunction ruled out or tested by a neuro or developmental optometrist, odds are, and statistically speaking, you don't have dyslexia. You actually have binocular vision dysfunction because it causes the same symptoms and it's more common. For years, I have seen countless patients misdiagnosed with dyslexia and working with reading specialists, sometimes for longer than a year, seeing no improvement because the reading specialist missed the fact that they have a binocular vision dysfunction because they don't test it. And the patient was struggling trying to learn how to read with fluctuating double vision that they could never fully express to their parents. So again, if you've been diagnosed with dyslexia and you have not seen a neuro or developmental optometrist, statistically speaking, you don't have dyslexia. You actually have binocular vision dysfunction. Luckily, a neuro and developmental optometrist can diagnose and treat and often cure binocular dysfunction, and most of the time, less than a year. And if you're in Southern California, we have 4 locations: West LA, the South Bay in Torrance, Newport Beach, and South Orange County in San Juan Capistrano. So we have you covered if you're in Southern California.